Hello, good morning students. As we just discussed about the sensory organ of our body, that is eyes, we should also know to take care of our eyes. As we know, eyes are very important for us. It is through eyes we can see everything. It is important to safeguard our eyes from any injury. Eyes are very delicate, and that's why proper care should be taken to save it from any injury. So let us know what are the rules we should follow to protect our eyes from any kind of injury. First of all, children, wash your eyes regularly with clean water. That is very important. I have seen many a times that children, what they do when they get up in the morning, they just put a little splash of water in the eyes. That is not at all advisable. We should clean our eyes properly. We should splash lot of water in the eyes. Even if we feel something itching or pricking in the eyes, we should not rub it. We should wash it with clean water. Just splash normal clean water in the eyes in the morning, in the afternoon, even after long hours of your live class. You can splash. It will keep your eyes. It will take out all the dirt from your eyes and keep your eyes safe. Next, do not work in dim light or bright light. Both are very, very harmful. Dim light means the light is not enough sufficient for you to read or do any studying or writing. And even if the light is also bright, it affects your eyes, it glares. So we should not work in dim light as well as bright light. Light should be proper, lighting should be proper, and let the light fall on the left side of your reading. When you are reading, we always read from left to right, isn't it? We read in this way, from left to right. So the light should fall on the left side. So from left to right, it should be lightened. So you should not have the light on the opposite side. Suppose you are sitting and reading and the light is in the other side, then it should fall on the book, on the page you are reading or writing. Okay, it should not be on the opposite side, so that you do not get the proper lighting. So light should be there. Do not read in a moving vehicle. It's very important. When you are moving in a bus or a car, do not read. Okay, train, because there is no much jerking, you can read, but when it is jerking, you should not read. It affects your eyes. So when you are moving in a vehicle and you are reading, it will strain your eyes. Eyes will pain afterwards, especially in the bus or in a car, because it moves a lot, it shakes a lot, it jerks a lot. Okay, so don't read in a moving vehicle. Do not read while lying down. Very important. Many a times children, they lie down and they read, and that it's not at all advisable, because you should sit erect. The posture should be, your backbone should be straight, your posture should be correct, and hold a book a little far away, not very closely. When you hold your book very closely, it affects your eyes. Slowly your eyes will have specs, and it will create some problem in your eyes. So don't sit with your book very close, and don't lie down, because when you are lying down, you are not in a correct posture to read material. And always sit 6 feet away from the television set. Always, children, I know you watch TV, you watch different shows, and some people, they sit very close to the television set and watch them. There is a glare coming out from your even they are giving out lights, even mostly with mobiles. So don't work with your mobile or computer for long hours, because it affects your eyes. There should be some gap in between, and long hours of working with mobile, playing in the mobile, or with the computer when you are working. Give some pause, give some gap, because it strains your eyes. And sit 6 feet away from the television set. It's quite a far away. Suppose my camera is on and I am here, so I am quite a distance from my mobile camera. Do not rub your eyes with dirty hands and tongue. Many a times I have seen nowadays, due to COVID, people are advised not to touch their ears, nose and mouth with dirty hands. Of course, all the time, don't rub your eyes with hands dirty. As I told you, if there is any itching, if there is any pricking, if you have some uncomfortable sensation in the eyes, just take water and splash water. This will give you comfort. Don't rub with dirty clothes or towels or hands, never do. And the last thing you should remember, children, when you find it difficult in reading, or when you see that the objects in the book or maybe in the blackboard, when you are finding it difficult to read, please inform your elders and teachers. Tell your parents, because you should go for a checkup of your eyes. Maybe there is some problem in the eyes, so you should go for a checkup. So all these things, if you take care, your eyes will remain in a good condition, will remain safe, and it will remain healthy.